All right, welcome back, art students. I showed you how to quick draw the basic form of a three-dimensional building. Now we're going to get a little bit more in depth, and I'm going to be showing you how to draw some doors and some windows on your building, okay? So to do this, we are going to be using our ruler, of course. We're going to be using our vanishing points all the time. You're going to hear me say vanishing point, over and over again. So bear with me. I'm going to decide here where I want my door to be. And I think I'm going to start here. I'm going to have a door, nice vertical line, deciding how tall I want my door. Should touch the bottom of your building. And I'm gonna have another one to match it over here. Okay. Now here's the thing about your door. This is the part that a lot of students might have a hard time with, is the top of your door and the bottom of your door, or the top of your window and the bottom of your window. They very importantly need to line up with your vanishing point, okay? So let me emphasize that again. Your top of your door is going to line up with your vanishing point. Take your ruler, put it on your vanishing point, hold it down, pivot your ruler down to touch your door, the top of your door, hold it down in place, draw that line right there from here to here, just on the door. You don't have to go all the way across, just the top of your door. Okay, now we can see that the door itself is lined up with our vanishing point, and that's awesome because it's going to help our viewer. We're going to be tricking our viewer into believing that it's going back into space. Okay, it's going to bring it more dimension. You can do two different kinds of, door handles, door knobs. This one I think I'm going to do a push-pull. Like if you go to the gas station, they might have the pushing and pulling handle. And they usually have that little curved bar. Maybe like that, I don't know. And then if you want, you can get really fancy. You can do some extra molding work going around your door. Notice how I'm using my vanishing point to do the tops and bottoms, and to do the sides of my doors and windows, I'm making sure I have a nice vertical up and down line, not a crooked line, okay? Don't get crooked, get nice and vertical. All right, so now I'm going to quick make that nice and visible with my pen. I should probably be using my ruler right now, especially. Just get a little excited, I think. Okay, there we go. Awesome. Cool. Now, how do we do a window? I want to do a window. It's kind of the same, except windows aren't usually touching the ground. They may get close. Maybe this is a shop where there's a lot of shopping. So usually those windows are close to the ground, but not touching the ground. So I'm gonna make a large shopping window. And I want my shopping window to match the top of my door. Notice how I'm using my vanishing point again for the tops and bottoms of my window. Okay. Top of my window, bottom of my window. Now for the sides of my window, I'm going to do my vertical lines. So I'm lining up the top edge of my ruler. Plant a line there. Look over here, plant a line here. Okay. Now, you might notice that there's like some lines that I don't want. I can use my eraser. Thankfully, I'm using a pencil. And I can clean up the edges. I can go in there and I can take away whatever I don't like and keep what I do like. Thank goodness for erasers. All right, so here's a window. We can get a little bit fancier with a window. There's all kinds of things you can do with windows. So I'm just gonna kind of make, I don't know, maybe there's a sign in the window. Maybe there's shelving in the window with some shoes on it. Maybe it's like a shoe store. And you can, you know, draw the details of your shoes, but we want to make it look like glass. So I might put like these little side marks. Yeah, so I don't know, let's have fun. Let's draw a shoe. Kind of looks more like a sock. That's okay though. All right, we're gonna outline this really quick, but carefully, hopefully. Make it more visible to you. Again, I'm not expecting you to use a pen like I am. I'm just doing this to help make it more visible for the sake of the tutorial video that I'm showing you. Okay? And then now what I'll do is, let's see, where are we at? Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop the video right here, and then I'll show you how to do some more detailed stuff in the next video. I'll see you there.